Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can leverage Docker to test out some of the new JEPs that Java OpenJDK has to offer. So right now, if we want to go check out what what new features are going to come in in the upcoming Java releases, you can go to openjdk.org/JEPs, and once we go here, this is the specific one, but if you just go to the regular site, you'll see this home page. You'll see learn and all this. But if we go down a little bit under projects and we go to the JDK section and go to 22, because that's what I want to look at right now. And now we can see all these stable JEPs. And what I want to look at for right now is unnamed variables and patterns. So if we go here, we can just read about it, everything, how it works. But I want to test out this feature, right? And I don't have Java 22 as a path variable right now. I have Java 21 installed. So what I can do is use Docker and just a regular Java file. And what I did here is we can just start from scratch. So if I want to get the base image, right, what I can do is type OpenJDK, which is the same website we went to, and 22, that's the version, and then -JDK. And that is how you pull the image from Docker. And if you want to do this, you just have to make sure you have your Docker desktop running. You'd have the Docker engine running. If you do like docker -- version, you should get a version, build number, and all that. So we do have it installed. So now what I want to do is continue making my Docker file. So we want to set a work directory. I'm just going to put /app. And then what I want to do is copy my files into that directory. And then that's pretty much it. The last thing we have to do is actually run our file. So in this case, I'm just going to do cmd java, and we can do the file itself, main.java. And that is everything. Now we can just run our Java file in this JDK, based on this JDK, right? So to test this, all you have to do, once you have your Java file ready, and let's just go ahead and set an example first. So get rid of this hello world. And let's go test out the unnamed variables feature. So if we scroll down a little bit, we should find an example. Make sure I find one that I want. Here we go. So yeah, we can use something like this. I'm just going to use this for loop. And we can just go ahead and make a record, local record or something. So we don't want to return though. We just make this actual workable, right? So what we can do is we can do, let's just make record order. I don't know, it doesn't really need to have anything though. Right, yeah, that's fine. And then but we need orders. Okay, let's just do something like int n or something. And then total equals 0. That's like int, right? Just make this code work, right? So just print out the total. Keep writing two S's there for some reason. System. So this is a for each loop, but so I want to make orders a variable too. Just make a couple orders. Just make a couple orders. Maybe it's like the number of the price or something. I don't know. Doesn't matter, right? Just make the code usable. Why is this no good? Oh, wait. Dot Holy cow, streams? Yeah, stream, okay. But yeah, this should work now. Why is this done? Can iterate over array. Okay, I guess we can just call that to array or something, right? This is fine. Okay, we finally got it working. Okay, we made it a list, right? Because an object array, yeah, it was an object array, and this is trying to convert the type, right? So now we have that. This should compile in Java 22. It's obviously not going to in Java 21, so that's why there's compilation errors here. But the whole idea is that you can just test out many different versions of the JDK, so you don't have to actually run it in your environment. So yeah, what we can do now is make sure everything is saved. Just make sure. And then, so now what I can do is rebuild the container. Wait, no, build the image, I think. Let's think about this. We should be okay, actually. Let's go ahead and try it. Docker run. So I'm gonna just restart, actually. So yeah, we can just do build, Docker build, and then we're going to put a tag name. And we'll just do JEP test too. So this is our Docker. Hold on, what did we do wrong? Forgot to put the directory for our Docker file. So we want to put the directory, this is dot for current directory, and that should build our Docker image. So now what we can do is run that image and, run the container. So we just built the image, now we can run the container off that image. So we can do Docker run, and then what we need to do is, all we have to put is the container, the image name, and we're good to go. Let's see. There we go, and you see that it actually compiled and printed out the total, and we see that we have 3 orders here, so the total is indeed 3. So that is unused variable names being tested with Docker. So yeah, it's really nice. You can, if there's ever any sort of JEPs that you want to test out, you can just change the version or to whatever you want and any future versions that come out. So yeah, just a very simple way to test out Java programs. So if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button. If you liked it even more, hit the subscribe, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching.